Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope everybody had a fantastic 4th of July weekend. It is my favorite holiday. I just love all the getting together and, cooking out and hanging out with friends and family. I just love it. So hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. So this week we want to go back and talk about something we've talked a little bit about before, but we're going to talk about it more in an overall sort of holistic manner, and that's the title insurance policy. And how important it is to closing and making sure that you have a good title insurance policy and why your lawyer is vital to that. To just kind of catch up, if you haven't seen this before, if you missed the previous talks, title insurance is insurance you get as the buyer, and your lender will get it too, to protect you from any defects in title. So if something goes wrong in the future and there's a question about whether your title you have full title of the property, your insurance company will defend that and reimburse you. What happens in Texas when you get a title policy, it starts off with you get a commitment. You get a title commitment sent from the title company before you close on your deal. And that title commitment will have three schedules, Schedule A, B, and C. A kind of talks about the deal and what you're actually buying. B are the exclusions to the policy, and what that means is that it is things that are not going to be covered under your title insurance policy, and then C are items that have to be removed prior to closing. Those items in Schedule B and in Schedule C, they're going to list a lot of documents that are recorded documents that they specifically list out, and you just got to read those. And that's why having a lawyer is so important. You need to go through those documents and those exclusions to the policy to make sure that there's nothing in there that's really going to hinder your plans for this investment. And so when your lawyer, if you have a good lawyer, he or she needs to read through every single one of those documents, and then after he or she does that, send a title objection letter to the title insurance company. That title objection letter will list out specifically anything on the title commitment that we object to, that we don't think it provides sufficient coverage for our client, and we object to it. And then it begins the process of negotiating with both the title insurance company and potentially the seller to get a more robust policy. And that is so important. That process, it can take a while because it's a negotiation that can be involved, but it's super important to have a good lawyer that makes sure is going over all the items in the title commitment and sending that title objection letter to provide you full coverage. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Have a great week. You're after 4th of July week. If you like this, subscribe to our blog, to our podcast, to our YouTube channel, all of it. Have a great week. Talk to you later.